Hello student, I'm your GK teacher and today I will explain the chapter with PPT. I hope you all will enjoy and understand. So let's start chapter number 29. Our great freedom fighters. India got its freedom from British rule after a long struggle of more than 200 years in 1947. Many freedom fighters have dedicated their lives for the country's freedom. So let's start. This is a picture of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was an Indian independence activist and barrister who served as the first deputy prime minister. सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल भारत के एक स्वतंत्र सेनानी थे. सरदार का अर्थ है प्रमुख. सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल जी ने भारत के उप प्रधानमंत्री के रूप में कार्य किया. The birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the first Home Minister of Independent India, is celebrated as National Unity or Rashtriya Ekta Divas on 31st October. Next picture is Bhikaji Cama. The full name is Bhikaji Rustam Cama. She was a prominent figure in Indian independence struggle. She is famous for hosting the precursor to the Indian flag on foreigner soil. Next is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. He was one of the first advocates of Swaraj or self-rule. He gave the slogan Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. Next is Mahatma Gandhi. He is known as the father of nation for his role in India's independence. Next is Chandrasekhar Azad. He is a freedom fighter unlike Mahatma Ji and Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was a student of Sanskrit. Next is Tatya Tope. Tatya Tope along with Nana Sahib, he assisted Rani Lakshmibai in defending Jhansi during the revolt. Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu, political activist, feminist, poet and the first Indian woman to be the president of INC. It means Indian National Congress. Rani Lakshmibai. Rani Lakshmibai was famous as the Rani of Jhansi. Next is Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh was an Indian socialist and a revolutionary freedom fighter. The last picture is Bahadur Shah Zafar. Bahadur Shah Zafar was the last Mughal emperor. Now come to the chapter number 30. First female of India. This is a picture of Indira Gandhi, the first woman to receive the Bharat Ratna. Next is B. Pant Upadhyay. The full name is Padmavati Pant Upadhyay, the first Indian woman Air Vice Marshal. Next is Mother Teresa, the first Indian woman to receive the Nobel Prize. Next is Anna, the first Indian woman High Court Judge. Asha Purna Devi, the first Indian woman to receive Janpith Award. R.T. Shah, the first Indian woman to cross the English Channel. Neerja, the first Indian woman to receive the Ashok Chakra. Next, this is a picture of Savitribai Phule, the first Indian female teacher. This is the picture of Anna Rajam Malhotra, the first female IAS officer in India. This is a picture of Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit, the first Indian woman president of United Nations General Assembly. This is a picture of Leela Seth, the first Indian woman Chief Justice of the High Court. This is the picture of Kiran Bedi, the first Indian woman IPS officer. This is a picture of Rita Faria, the first Indian woman to become Miss World.